Hi guys, welcome back. I'm guessing this is what you've been waiting for, a bit more action on track rather than me tinkering around in the garage. So we got a bit of action for you, first round of the season. So enjoy yourselves. So we went down to the first round of the season at Pigeon Raceway. Pretty wet start. It did dry out towards the end of the day, but Mini was handling in pretty well. Felt pretty comfortable in there. Happy with the changes over the winter. So have a look for yourself. So after the practice runs and a few moments on track, sort of got myself together for the timed runs and just went for it. This gave me first in class at the end of the day, so nice little trophy. Massively happy with the result. The car's handling really well. Just giving me a big confidence boost at the start of the season. So this is just a comparison of my last two runs I did of the day. My fastest run and then the last run where it started to rain. as I'm sure pretty much everyone's aware, there's a little virus out there at the moment which is doing its thing, and motorsport in the UK has stopped for now. So I'm going to tuck the car away and batten down the hatches until it's ready to go again. So keep safe and see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave any comments below if you want to say anything, and I'll get back to you